1. Preparations for production. 1. Close the front cover of the feeder. Check that the front cover is closed. The front cover is not fully closed. Two. Cut the leading end of the tape. Always cut the leading end of the tape with scissors. The tape can jam if inserted with a long lead. Always cut the tape with scissors. The tape can jam if too long when inserted. Three. Mount the feeder all the way to the rear and lock in place. Mount the feeder fully to the rear and clamp down securely. The feeder is mounted only halfway into the machine. The feeder and nozzles may interference with one another. Four. Insert the support pin to the bottom of its hole. Insert the support pins all the way and check that they do not rattle or wobble. The support pins are not fully inserted into their holes. Check that O-rings are attached to the support pin in 4 places. The support pins are upside down. Insert the support pins all the way and check that they do not rattle or wobble. Five. Position the support pins properly. Set the support pins in the proper positions. The support pin is too high. Boards and nozzles may interference with one another. The machine is interfering with components on the underside of the board. 6. Face the nozzles in the proper direction. Set the nozzles in the changer facing in the proper direction. The reflector is up. 7. Clean the nozzle changer and line camera. Remove chips, nozzles or any dropped objects on the nozzle changer. Remove chips, nozzles or any dropped objects from the line camera. Eight. Mount the waste box properly. Set the waste box so that it sits flat and not tilted. Nine. Precautions when moving the beam and head. Hold the opposite handle when moving the beam. Do not hold the cover or oil pan when moving the beam. Do not move the head when the support table is raised. Do not move the head when the nozzles are lowered. 2. Production. 10. Do not remove the feeders while the machine is running. Stop production before removing the feeders. Never remove the feeders during production. (11) Precautions and single stops for parts shortages, pickup errors, etc. After removing the feeder and making checks. 1. Close the front cover. 2. Adjust the pickup position. 3. Cut the leading end of the tape with scissors. After all of that, remount the feeder. The front cover is open. The leading end of the tape has not been cut. 12. Precautions and stops caused by head errors. Do not move the head immediately after stopping due to error. The head may interfere with the feeder or chute cover. The head may interfere with the line camera. The head may interfere with the nozzle changer. Check that the nozzles are raised before moving the head. 3. Maintenance. 13. Use the nozzle changer to attach and detach nozzles. Do not attach and detach nozzles by hand. Attaching or detaching the nozzle by hand may leave the spring and holder tabs out of position. (14) Use the jig to attach and detach the nozzle holder. Do not attach and detach the nozzle holder by hand. Attaching or detaching the nozzle holder by hand may leave the spring and holder tabs out of position. Check that the nozzle holder tabs properly fit their mating parts. 15. Clean the shaft and nozzle holder. Periodically clean the shafts. Periodically clean the nozzle holders.